Dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are keeping well. And today I am going to teach you chapter 1, parts of speech. Open your book to page number 1 as I am teaching you every part of speech with example. What are parts of speech? Words are divided into different classes called parts of speech according to their use, that is, according to the work they do in a sentence. There are 8 parts of speech in the English grammar: noun, verb, pronoun, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Now you have opened page number 1. There you can see a box. In that box, parts of speech is given. There are 8 parts of speech. So I am going to explain you the first one. A noun is a word that tells us the name of a person, animal, place or thing. Example is Shanli is a teacher. Here Shanli is a name, so it is a noun. Kolkata is on the Hooghly River. Kolkata and Hooghly River are noun. The rose smells sweet. Rose is the noun over here. So now the second part of speech is verb. A verb is a word that is used to describe an action, state or position. As example, the taxi is waiting at the door. The child waved from the window. In the first example, which is given from your book, is waiting is the verb. The next example, waved is the verb. Now, the third part of speech is a pronoun. A pronoun is a word used in a place of a noun. As example, this is Ravi. He is my brother. The books are where you left them. Here in the first example, he is used in the place of Ravi. That's why it is a pronoun. And in the second example, them is used in place of book. That's why it is a pronoun. Now, the next part of speech is adjective. Adjective is an word that describes a noun. As example, we have a beautiful rug. Here beautiful is describing the rug. It is an adjective. In the next example, the color of our school bus is yellow. Yellow is describing the color of the bus. So now children, you have to do exercise A. In this exercise, you have to identify the nouns, adjectives and pronouns and write them in the correct columns. First one is done for you. Here, he is the pronoun and fresh is an adjective and apples is a noun. Next part of speech is an adverb. An adverb is a word that describes a verb, phrase or adjective. As example, the woman sang sweetly. This flower is very beautiful. She pronounced the word quite correctly. So here in the first example, sweetly is the verb because how did she sing? She sang sweetly. In the next, beautiful is an adverb because it describes the flower. Next, she pronounced the word quite correctly. So here, quite is the adverb. So the next part of speech is preposition. Preposition is word that shows a relationship between a noun or a pronoun and another word or phrase. As example, they kept the toys in the bag. The girl is fond of music. A little girl sat under a tree. Here, in the first example, the word in is a preposition. In the second example, of is the preposition. And in the third example, under is the preposition. So, here it is telling you the position of the things, like where are the toys? They are in the bag. So girl, what is the girl fond of? She is fond of music. Where is the girl sitting? She is sitting under the tree. So now the next part of speech is a conjunction. A conjunction is a word that is used to join a group of words. As example, he likes reading books and magazines. I ran fast but missed the train. So here in the first sentence, and is the conjunction because it is joining two group of words. And in the second, but is the conjunction. Now children, open page 3. Here in exercise B, you have to identify the verbs, adverbs and prepositions and write in the table below. Now in the next exercise, exercise C, you have to identify the conjunctions and the interjections and complete the table on page 4. Now the last part of speech is interjection. An interjection is a word used to show sudden emotion or expression. As example, oh, I did not know you lived here. Wow, what a tall building. So here students, in the first example, oh is an interjection, and in the second example, wow is the interjection. So interjection are a sudden emotion, like if we get hurt, we say ouch, oh. So these are interjections. So now open page number 4. Now do exercise D. Here there is an orange box. You have to fill the blanks with correct adverbs or adjectives given in the box. First example is done for you. Now turn to page 5. So children, here in exercise E, you have to complete these paragraphs. In first one, you have to fill conjunctions, and in the second paragraph, you have to fill prepositions. Like we were in a hurry to catch the train. So now children, hope you have understood parts of speech. Revise it properly again and learn and do your exercise in your book.